Day batu COVID-19 mentah sini 8 tarik September 2020 hadu si baje sini ilong dumne ikes ki batmai baro ilong nyau nagini nyau Southway day hapo East Castles pada gini Southway Iway day na po ki armed forces, paramilitary forces, at Southwo na kiway. West Garo Hills, Nreo, East Garo Hills are Ribhoy, Nreo, are ki day na po ki armed forces, paramilitary forces, at Khatsaw na kiway. South Garo Hills lie, East Janta Hills, Kanda. Ki case baru belum lang di belong aktif mentah kesini bilong si hajar si spa prapunreo pada kini si hajar si spa prapunreo praspa hatlan kidai beran ako East Castles pada kini si praspa hatlan ar hajar iway kidai si armed forces paramilitary forces pada reuspa hatar kidai giway West Castles South Tucson Ribhoy Nyufuay pada gini Nyufuay pra kidai ki armed forces paramilitary forces pada Nrefulai kidai giway West Janta Hills are East Janta Hills are Fulai West Garo Hills Sispa Hatra pada gini Sispa Hatra New Fry the armed forces, paramilitary forces, at Southwo giway. Southwest Garo Hills lie, South Garo Hills Katkandai, but nagini Katkandai, Katway the armed forces, paramilitary forces, at Prague giway. East Garo Hills, Prapulai, North Garo Hills, Kandai. Kibala recover mentang sini baru kelum lang kilong frapulai pada kini ki frapulai ndrifu fragi day na po East Castles kandai day na ki armed forces paramilitary forces sub kandai day na ki giway Ribhoy Sun West Garo Hills Nreo East Janta Hills South baru kibala recover hadu mentang sini kelum lang bilong si hajar laispa khatra but my name step that we will flat no very positive case COVID-19 but kiway jingpang but baru kibala flat hadu mentang kilong khatla